Wheelchair access, your guide to English vocabulary for public transportation. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important topic in the realm of public transportation: wheelchair access. By the end of this video, you'll know useful vocabulary and phrases related to accessibility and wheelchair-friendly services in public transportation. So, let's get started. In this section, we'll go through some of the key terms you'll need to understand and use when talking about wheelchair access in public transportation. 1. Wheelchair accessible, a service or place that can be used by a person in a wheelchair. For example, the bus is wheelchair accessible. 2. Ramp, a sloped surface allowing wheelchair users to move between different levels. Example, there's a ramp at the entrance of the bus. 3. Elevator, a machine used for moving people between floors of a building. Example, the subway station has an elevator. 4. Platform, a raised area where passengers wait for their train or bus. Example, the platform is wheelchair-friendly. 5. Accessible restroom, a bathroom designed for use by people with physical disabilities. Example, the station has an accessible restroom. Now that we know some vocabulary, let's look at some phrases that might be useful. 1. Is this bus wheelchair accessible? A phrase used to inquire if a bus can accommodate a wheelchair. 2. Where is the elevator? Used to ask the location of the elevator in a subway or train station. 3. Does the platform have a ramp? A question to know if the platform is wheelchair-friendly. 4. Are there any accessible restrooms here? Used to ask if there are any restrooms designed for people with disabilities. Understanding the context is important. Let's see some dialogues related to our topic. Dialogue 1. Person A. Excuse me, is this bus wheelchair accessible? Bus driver. Yes, it is. The ramp is at the back entrance. Dialogue 2. Person B. Could you please tell me where the elevator is? Staff. Sure, it's on the right, next to the ticket machines. These dialogues demonstrate how you can use today's vocabulary and phrases in a real-life context. And that's a wrap on wheelchair access in public transportation. We hope this video has been helpful in enriching your English vocabulary and helping you communicate effectively about accessibility. Remember, language is the key to understanding each other's needs and ensuring everyone's rights are respected. Thanks for joining today, and keep practicing.